The video cam. Wow.
Yeah, we're doing a lot like that live streaming platform, and this just gives you like a preview of like what it's going to appear like before you publish it, broadcast it.
So,
oh, that's not good.
It's great. Or you can
figure out what that time it didn't add anything, or maybe I didn't press it. Get broadcast. Sorry, let me just undo a lot of stuff that I did here.
When you create stream, not add product, it's create stream. When you create stream.
Yeah, let's try it now.
So
still having that.
So it's not creating.
Right now, it's not creating it. So I think it's still something weird here. It's too much.
Can you group?
Justin.
Just okay. Justin. Oh no! Wait, go back. Oh, okay. Oh, if you. Oh, actually, that's. Oh, you can read. What? Oh,
surprise!
Oh, okay. Shit. Okay, I've been doing Command Y, thinking that it's the same thing as a redo, or Command R redo, and that doesn't do that. So like,
yeah,
what can I redo now?
Okay, so there we go. No. I don't remember changing anything else.
Let's see. So Rect has a session ID, product ID, and name. Let's have a Rect body.
Might be something on the
sequel. Oh.
Okay, now it's the post. Now it's the post problem. That's okay. Oh, where's my post? Start broadcast.
Post. Admin. So it's connecting the right.
Ah! We just did way too much stuff. I don't even know like what's going on.
So
server error.
Nexia's
promise.
Oh, with uncaught promises, it's usually with like a wait. Right? Isn't it async wait? Uncaught promises, so it's coming back and we're not waiting for this. It's Not waiting for this get before this tries that. Trigger itself.
Okay.
That's what like my understanding of awakening is.
I'm running out of things to. Okay, let's say I had a wait. I had async here and a wait here. Yes. I'm not sure.
Let's see. From the internal server error.
Yeah.
Did you change anything on the name of the files either? So create stream, that's right.
There's no parameter at number 1. That's what it's saying. So it's another SQL. Oh, let me zoom on here. So session products. Oh no, that's just fine.
There's 3 streams, name, and then they're called the name thing, same name. They're named things, same name. Okay, so
You're good. No, you're good. You're good. Session ID. Product ID. I mean, I could change the format of this, but I don't think that would. There's no parameter at 1.
Oh, wait, because you're sending an object in, don't you have to have these in objects as well?
Maybe.
Yeah, so it's going to be.
Or
oh,
is
you
it,
put inside, yeah. And actually, you put name. You put name instead of dollar. You put the name of these things.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I mean, I do think both formats work, but
this for when I do it, it has to be an array for these ones. You're doing it this way.
okay.
So when you do the $1, it's going to be an array. This one's going to be an object because you're saying an object. So it'd be session ID and then product ID. And this one doesn't matter the order at all because they're going to be pulling off based off of the name of it. It has almost a match.
Okay. I'm just gonna because I'm paranoid, I'm gonna switch these.
Okay. Product ID.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. A SQL file.
That's how it worked.
It worked?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we were at 28 before.
Okay, cool.
And then we added, I don't know if we added 3 that time, but one of it has it.
Yeah.
Which is like,
Is it because there's, no, it wouldn't be because there's Super Bowl.
Steven.
Matthias.
Steven. Yeah, good work, man. That's awesome. Yeah. Is there any chance that you need to look at something? Yeah, just don't tell my wife.
Okay, sorry. No, you're good. What's up? I'm on camera.
You're on camera.
Hi.
Welcome.
We're famous now.
This is my dream.
Yeah. So I'm doing a post request. And every time I do it, I'm adding 2 lines to the database.
Mhm.
One is blank. The other one has the data.
Okay.
And I'm just learning how to things troubleshoot. I've double checked my SQL, double checked my index. I think something is wrong with like my actual access request. Would you mind just spot checking it?
Yeah. So is the issue that it's inserting null for both?
It inserts null for the first one, and the second one has the data.
Okay. And it should be that way all the time, right? Where it's null
it should
and
always
data.
have,
So these ones where it's like null, is that the issue that we're looking at?
I mean, it's like the issue that can always recreate is if I do this again, I'll get one line that's all null, and the next one will have the data where it's supposed to be.
Does it insert both? So does it insert? Are you inserting 2 at a time, or are you inserting 1 at a time?
It should be. I'm bringing it, passing everything down via prompt to the request, and then I'm trying to send it as an object.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's look at the code. So let's start at the front.
Start at the front.
Yep, your front end code. So start name, product, session ID. Okay, and session ID, is that what we're sending back as the data? Oh, no, that's just part of your endpoint. Okay. So that's your get request. Can I see your post request?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, so that's right there. So after you get it, then you're sending in new stream with a name, a session ID, and a All right, so there's a lot going on here. Let's see. So all rec has on it right here is the name. And name's an empty string.
And it's empty.
So we need to figure out why name, session ID aren't getting sent back. So can I see your front end console over here?
Yeah.
So this is where, okay, so we've got, let's get rid of this. I think that was me. Okay, so what is this right here? Props S10, so that's your data right there?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's on opentoke.js, opentoke, token the open, line 73, which is, sorry, that's right here?
Yep.
Okay, stream name, product, session ID. So they exist there. When they get sent back, they don't exist. What in the world? That's a little confusing, isn't it? There's all that session, express.json. Okay, so that's all good.
Does it have to do with an async? Like there's no async there, so it's coming back. And
Well, it's inside of a dot then, so that should be fine. Like once it's right here,
yeah.
and then we're sending back this object, the name, stream name.
And like the only thing I can think of to do now is like hacker way, like if it's an empty object, don't let it through.
Yeah. Well, that's not super hacky. That's pretty normal to have for error handling, where you're just like, if rec.name is falsy, send back, throw an error and say like, hey, that's a falsy value. You need to try that again or whatever. That happens quite a bit.
Okay.
I'm definitely not hacky. I think you're on the right track there. But what we want to figure out is why this isn't working. So what I want to go ahead and do is kill this right here. Did that kill it? What did I do here? Control C. There we go. Cool. All right, and then let's just run that again. npm start. When in doubt, stop it and start it
I'm
again.
pretty embarrassed if that works. I'm just restarting the backend the whole time.